Okay, I've decided that I should probably film the creation of my training media center. A couple of years ago, I wasn't thinking about building a training or media center or even coaching or mentoring for that matter. I was too focused on being a software CEO, trying to build our software company to help other cleaning businesses. But every now and then, I'm not a religious person, but every now and then, a higher power will reach out and touch you in a way that you can't ignore. And that's when I met Ben.
So you said you'd been in the business 30 years or whatnot, and you said
30 years.
and you hadn't seen.
I haven't seen some of the stuff that you're coming up with, dude. This is whack.
Wow.
That's why I'm intrigued, because the way you see things in a different angle. No, you need to do this class, plain and simple, and you need to put more content out there. It's not enough. You have to talk about consulting. I think you can have a whole vertical by itself just with consulting, business consulting for this industry. You can help one or two or three, or you can scale and help 1,000. Which is more? You've been given a gift, let's be honest, or multiple gifts. It would be such a waste for you not to pursue it. You'd have a lot more people saying, I'm glad I know him. He made it change my life.
I just got the bed apart. It's going on 10 o'clock at night. Day number 3, or the day bed apart. I'm going to use that as a sofa over here. But I'm going to keep going. Man, I got to get this frame at least together so when I come back in the morning, I can just move the music studio portion over here and have it all laid out, and just be ready for the day-night shades. When they arrived, they were, of course, delayed. Shipping has become so unreliable these days. And that'll probably be in next week, and I'll get some plans up and we'll be wrapping this thing up.
This is Ross LeGrand with Clean Profitable. I am doing this for you guys, okay? I want to connect with you and I want to do it at the highest level that I possibly can. And if that means going out and renting an overpriced office and turning it into a training, education, media center, that means I'm going to do that because I am here in the capacity to serve you.